I say Ginger, the boy always a talk about money, you know. That means say half full of money, you know, Ginger. Oh, Jesus.
He must have full of money, yes.
Half full of money. And me platinum, I forget some of the money there.
Yes, you.
Right,
yes,
Ginger?
yes.
Of course.
So what we are gonna do, boy, now? You are gonna call him over or what?
Yeah, I'm making him come look for me. He went to me saying, "Want come look for me," so I'm making him come look for me. Yeah, so I'm just wait for him if he call me.
We have to go set up and, you go tell him about we want and no want.
Because we find out if we get money from him, I don't know. Right, till. What I can't tell him say?
Why I don't know, you know? But we have to find if we go
find.
Yeah,
we
have to do
find. A woman with name.
Yeah.
Have to find.
Me, Ginger.
And me platinum, I have to find something to tell the boy. Because I want some of my money. Love about feeling more, but he ain't hold it for money. So we are going to say if he ain't hold it for money, we want the money from him. Oh.
Why I don't mind the boy call?
In the call, man. The boy promises him I call me till the
We want the money, man.
We will want the money
tell
more
him
than
say
you.
no.
Me don't know. Tell him say grandma dead.
Yeah.
I'm going to bury my grandmother. I have to tell him something that I have to work. He can stay there. You better hurry up to you.
No one got Canada bad. See,
what? Yes, I
see la.
Yes. Hello.
Baby.
Hi, what's going on?
What a bombshell.
What? How are you?
Sweet, though.
Yes. So we say you do. You can look for me down. Why? Come on, man. Me have something for you. Something for you. Go work a while. You come? Hurry up, man. All right. See you later. Yeah. All right. Yes. Yeah. All right. Hurry up. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Yes. Bring something for me drink too. All right. Yeah. All right.
What you're not saying?
Don't it? Come. Oh my God.
He finally come.
Come.
But if you tell him say no. Where we are going to set up now?
Huh?
We have to tell him say your granny dead.
Granny dead. Yes. That's
so
how
we
we
go
work.
Money.
My granny will love so much, and my granny used to take care of we. And now my granny dead now.
Yeah.
So yeah. All right.
Wait till him come up here.
We wait till him come up here. We're gonna make him pocket burn him.
Man.
Right. That's so.
Wait.
But look how long this boy has said ma come. Look on the time. Ginger.
Yo.
Come here.
Yeah.
Alright, you're more you fi do. More you go to the gate and go look if you see the boy they come.
And look how long he say ma come.
Exactly how a long time he say ma come.
Right. So, me no remember, so me no know you looking now. So.
Oh, yeah.
You say what you say.
Saying in tall, yeah, ear pan in face,
Yeah.
and in growing ear. And in
Okay.
skinny.
Alright.
Alright?
I think we figure out.
You figure it out?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me know when he ma come.
Alright.
Alright.
Platinum. Platinum.
What? What excitement for?
I
What?
think the boy come.
What me look?
You stay good, man.
Stay good, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yo, me nervous.
You see it, man.
Yeah? Alright. You there? Wednesday, or Friday?
Watching.
Wednesday. What am I do?
What that puppy show?
Me don't see what puppy show the money we want. Hi. you're here.
What about the area? Look nice though.
Yes, thanks. Glad to see you.
Let's spin a roll there.
Of course.
That's so bit true. That's so bit true.
Yes.
You're ready.
Of course.
You're ready.
Of course.
You're ready.
You see you?
That's so bit true.
Yeah, of course you do, yes,
Well,
sir.
baby, when I tell her no lie, money.
Yeah?
I spend every dollar for you. Every
Yes,
nickel,
man.
every dime.
I like that.
You know, watch out. Platinum baby. So what you say?
Yeah, well.
You say I'm sitting for me right there.
Later, man.
Later.
Yes.
And that with you every time you tell me later, and then sitting there. I be a tired time out like goat.
So wrong with that later.
Later.
Yes, will be greater.
Say.
Later.
Then if me I get you late,
I'm not later yet.
sure, me can't bother with you every time that you tell me later.
You're too impatient.
Yesterday I same thing you tell me. The day before yesterday I same thing you tell me.
Later. Trust
Can't
me.
bother you, man.
It's gonna worth it.
Alright.
Yeah. Later. As a matter of fact, may I tell if you carry something for me drink?
Oh, babe. Sure. You know, say, I go down on my bedroom so I try to collect piece of money.
Yeah?
My boy give me a hard time and I forget to get the juice here. God knows how to show.
So you get money?
Yeah, and I will like, but I some might have to. I mean,
Oh.
why I get piece of money to you, know, baby, you know? Yeah.
Later. So what you say? You have something for give me?
Hmm?
You have money for give me?
I mean, baby, man, we have enough money for you.
Alright. Tell you what, me soon come. Me soon come. I go inside. Me soon come. You hear? Me soon come.
Alright.
Yeah, me soon come.
No joke.
Alright.
That's up with you.
Alright.
Hey. What a bombshell.
Yo, Ginger, me nervous, yo.
What?
Me nervous.
Nervous for?
Me just nervous. Look how the boy look and them something there and say he have money. Look how he dress. And all he want do they touch up my front.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Me no
I want to take the boy there.
Me no know.
Can me see him coming there, a puppy show, you know?
It must be Papi Show or Frightened Friday. Me nervous, man. Boy fan them, me nervous.
Look at the sweat.
Jesus, because me
No,
nervous.
sir.
Yes.
Nobody nervous, just remember say, to tell him say, the granny dead and you want some money.
And we want to go to Canada, don't we?
Yes.
Yes, that's true. Alright, me go calm down.
That's it.
Give a bigger joke. The boy tell me saying collect piece of food on the road.
Lord God, that's why you're nervous. Me feel nervous now.
Yes. So you know say we have to get
Ah,
a piece of
Jesus.
food off for the boy. Alright.
Yeah. Tell the boy say, you don't have no money, and you broke like dog, and you're hungry.
But me no want him make it look like I say me so
Hello,
hungry belly.
listen to me. Tell him so. If you not tell him so, you won't get the money. You have to tell him something.
Alright, true. Alright, me go listen
I
to
no
you.
making gear no 6 grand and no 7. Them and no money that day.
Righty?
And no money that.
True.
No make boy gear no look on him.
True.
No making gear that.
Saffron like 50 grand and up.
Yes.
Can look on this a body.
Look for your body.
Steve Fisher okra
Him
body.
think of bag juice and bulla you dey eat.
Don't eat. Bulla can maintain this a body. In brighty.
In bright.
Brighty.
No
50
making
grand.
gear no fenke money.
50 grand and up. Bright.
That is it.
Alright.
Platinum. Wait. Ask me if you want of a drink.
True. Yes.
You have to give him some rum.
True, you know.
Yeah.
We have room inside. Alright.
Ask me if you want it first before
Yeah.
you give him. As a matter of fact, nobody ask him if you want a rum. Give him the rum. Here? Alright. So go on.
Alright, I go for the boy.
Now get your things them ready.
Yes.
And set up the place. Go on.
I go for the
Alright. God.
Baby, oh, so this door.
Yeah, you like it? Yes, lucky door.
Nobody not coming.
No, the man now come in.
Yeah. It's my room there.
My room there? Alright, still right here, so for right now.
And I coach me.
Yes, man, make yourself comfortable.
And I coach.
Yes.
Oh, we are.
Just make yourself comfortable.
What a bombshell.
Yes.
Come in, then come now, baby.
You want something to drink?
So, yeah, you have Magnum? You have Magnum?
No worries, so me start you out.
What a bombshell.
Yes.
Give me back.
Give back?
Yeah.
Alright, so come here.
What a bombshell.
Yeah, so come.
Yeah.
Aye.
Well, we see, man, set that so. Set it so, she bride, you know, so. I have to make sure, say, the foot him fit so. Yeah, set it so. Platinum. Boy.
Jesus Christ, alright. You have a junking today. Of course, I want the money. You see, boy, if you have papi show, you have to get the money out time pocket. Where on there one with? Watching. If you have papi show, though.
I don't think you will get.
I mean, I say, you not get
Don't come over
nothing.
today.
We get the money, and you not get nothing.
Remember.
Alright.
All fat.
I went think say, I went think say, you not get none of this. I went think say,
Try and know that.
you try and know that. So after entering this year, we have to get every cent in a fee in pocket.
Yes.
And if we not give it willingly, we all go pick in pocket.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I hope you like it.
Well, baby, how are this?
So yourself, mommy, start you out.
Wait till we're done with it today. You know, I have nothing left. Not even dust go left in your pocket. When we're done with it today. Watch him.
Man, drink up.
Like you charge me up there, baby, man. Tell her.
Alright, that me a talk
I'm going
about.
to walk out it. What a bombshell.
What a bombshell tonight.
So baby, what the fee on there? You're not charge up stuff.
Me drink already, and that's why.
Drink already?
Drink already. Drink up, man. Drink up. Tastes good though.
Wait.
It's called Platinum Special.
Special delivery.
Oh yes. By
So
Platinum
true.
herself.
Baby, this is a chang man.
You trying?
Yeah, man, it's
No
chang
man, it
man.
alright.
You sure?
Yes man, it alright.
No, man,
Yeah man, drink some more man.
Wait. Two chang man.
You not strong.
Taste it.
Eh?
Taste it.
I'm tell us something drink some. This man.
Baby, it's chang for
You
two
know
man.
strong man, me fix it perfectly. You know strong. Me test it and everything. You know strong. So you like it. Just man, just drink up. Just drink. You complain too much man. Drink up now.
Alright, me get enough, man. Me chang up there now.
No man. Drink some more. See cup never off. Come man, drink up the juice man. Drink up. Call me cup never off.
Baby, it's sweet. It hot for sure. Two chang.
You know strong, me fix it perfectly. Drink up it man. What about the money we say you give me? What about the money? What about the money we say you give me?
Money, baby, me have the money for you, man.
So where you there? Where you more see it?
No worry yourself, man.
Maybe
Me have
at
enough
least
money
see.
for you.
You have enough money for me?
Baby, me no want no more.
No man, drink up man. Me fix it properly for you. So what you say about the money? You not give me right now?
Me no want no more, man.
You don't want no more. So what about the money?
Baby, me have the money for you.
You have the
man.
money?
Yeah, we are worried about money.
Alright, tell her what.
Come now.
Alright, tell her what. Let me go use the bathroom. No man, let me go use the bathroom. More, you know me, I feel fresh up and everything.
up,
For me, yes, make it nice. Yes man, me so come. Me so come. Let me just go fresh up and come up. I got the bathroom. Yeah man, me so come man.
Alright.
Alright.
Up there.
Yes. May I go fresh up. Fresh up.
Fresh up.
Alright?
Oh, what a bombshell. By the hook or the cook. Hey. No man, this is too chang, man. No man, this is a changa, man. But boy, I'm drunk, but I'm not fool. Me a drink and you not drink. No, sir. What a bombshell. We can show it what you see. Platinum, baby.
Ginger, me don't know what else we do.
Calm down.
You mean calm down? Me tell her calm down now.
How I know?
The man, I know me not get the money. He my request buff. And he not drink the drink.
So what do him? So what make you know want drinky?
Me
Too
not
strong?
He say too strong. So me tell her do. He say
Why?
too strong. So
Why
what me
you
fi
do?
do?
You know what you have to do?
Yeah.
You have to give him a little chops.
Alright, after that what?
Why? Alright, tell you what now. You tell him say you don't feel good.
That can't work.
Yeah. You like a rum where you drink earlier. You don't feel so
Me
good.
not feel good. That's true.
And
you
you're
know,
stressed
true,
out.
True. Yeah.
And thing. But guess what? You say man, then I like to feel no way.
Yeah?
So guess what? Nice him up. Sweet him up, you know.
Yeah.
And kiss him up and you know,
You
play
can
with
do
the
that.
ear and
Yeah.
touch him up. Them man love them sitting there.
Yes, that's true.
And we give money. And he went done. Tell us him go get it. So
Yeah, can't tell me saying colic and he tell me now give me for true. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. So,
So-
want the money.
So tell him say you're sick and the time ago. So you have to move fast.
True,
Because we want the money. We
for
want to
true,
get rid of him, you know, in there too long in our house.
Achu, come to think coffee. Yes. Alright. So I'll go back out the twin right now.
Alright.
I'm going to do all the way you tell me to do.
Yeah.
And make sure it work.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, so we
Alright.
want the money.
Alright.
Oh, you drink coffee drinks, man. Like you're well charged up.
What a bombshell.
So where say I go on now?
Baby, I'm ready, man. You ready?
You ready now?
Baby, ready, man.
Right now? Really?
Right now, baby. So come now, baby, I could go in our first round.
Right now?
6 rounds, we are going 6
Right now?
So what a bombshell.
Ow, ow.
One to you.
Ooh, me no know.
One to you.
Me take 3 shots of rum before you come because me want charge up. Me no never eat.
Rum, no man, rum no do nothing, man.
Well,
Rum,
probably-
she shot a normal pre, man.
Probably not that, man. Me just stress out.
Stress out?
Yes, man.
Baby, I was stress you out.
Me have bills. Me have my mother pressure me for money. Right now, me just think say me get one big money right now. It just have all of my problem. Me think me just feel much better. Ouch, no sir. Me not like how my belly feel. Yo, me da really want to give you some now.
You want to give
Yes, ma'am, I don't really want to give some of the buff.
Yeah.
But my
Mom
belly
too.
not feel good, man.
the belly.
It not go nice.
So you want Panadol?
No.
You want Angel's good.
No,
Me
man.
buy Angel's.
I remember saying me have the bills them. Me have the bills. So if you give me the angels, it's not gonna solve the bills problem. Yes, man. I mean, mother every minute she just keep on the call me phone. She just a call me phone, so I just want money for this, for that. One night time she has her foot all broke. Me can't bother, me just stress out here, man. Eh? What you say?
Babe, calm down, baby.
Of course me calm down.
Calm down, baby.
Me calm down.
You know what's this? Money.
Yeah, me can smell
This
it.
is money.
So,
Smell it.
so,
Smell it.
so,
That's yours, baby.
So how much money this?
$35,000.
$35,000.
Good.
Why,
You can
man?
check though, baby.
Yeah, me know, boy. I'm in the lean towards 50, no.
50.
Yeah,
No,
man.
listen, man, I line up sitting for you, baby.
Yeah, when?
So you say.
Platinum,
Yes.
you hungry no? Where money there? I want to buy something for cook, man.
Skinny. This is my sister
Hello,
Ginger.
Hi.
Ginger,
Nice
this
to
is
meet you.
Skinny.
Ginger.
Yes.
I'm pine. I'm joking.
Where money there? Me hungry no, man.
Where go cook?
Me don't know. What no want to eat?
Where you want to
steamed
eat?
Fish. Fish. Curry goat.
Curry goat? Alright, so
Right.
curry goat I do it.
So where money there?
Me don't really have no money, you know.
So, you hungry no, man?
Yeah, you just give money.
Some money I feel something else. What make you behave like you're a broke man, so?
What you just say?
Broke man.
How are they bunk? Babe, how you talk about?
Alright.
Money.
Yes.
Can't shout the money, babe, man. How you talk about money? How you talk about me? Can't shout the money, man. Hold on, give me. Babe,
Where want? Curry chicken?
yeah, that's too much, man.
Curry chicken?
No, we can't,
white
we
rice?
can't use it for something else too.
Eh?
So you broke?
This
Bro,
good,
no,
man.
me not broke.
Oh.
What you talk about broke? I don't bring them things there to me, man. I kind of only broke my broke,
No,
man.
sir.
Hey,
This good, man.
No, joke.
Bum. Ooh.
How are you?
One to you.
No, man, my belly, man. Woo.
Yeah.
No, man.
You alright?
Yeah, man, I got bathroom. Me so come.
Sorry.
What do you?
She has to sit more rum, like she has drink rum.
Oh, you wanna drink one whole heap of rum for you? How good as it, man. Very cool. So skilly. Anyways, you know something like you?
You like me? So I want to make you like me.
Don't worry about that. Me know what make me like
You
you.
know, make you like me.
Mm-hmm.
Help me like it. But me and sister, they can't.
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. It's what we like you.
They said we keep it as a secret. Nobody never know. Oh, you look nice. I like your nails. And when I look cheap though, I could have.
That's why me want the money for do it, you know. I want the money for do it.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
my cheap one, you know.
No, when you say when Ginger, I'll be fine for you.
Well, on there, me I go check for my sister and see if you're alright. Here?
Alright, you say I come back.
Yeah, man, me I come back.
Alright. Whoa, what a bombshell. 2 in 1. No, sir. I must be lucky today. Boy, that's why they say you must have patience and wait. You see it? All me there for you just wait. 2 in 1 day. Hey, all the boy touch them, I forgot to tell them about this. All the boy bull, I can't talk about him, my galaxy. What a bombshell. 2. And say, yes, make waste. Patient man drink milk. Well, I'm going to drink some milk today. Backside. Yo, Peter, my bro, come on, man. 20,000 is a little bit of money. 20,000 US, come on, man. That's little, man. Last week you sent me 25. This week you wanna send me 20,000 US. You know, 20,000 US is a little bit of money for me, man. Come on, man. We business partner, you know. We know the thing go. Especially here in Jamaica, it's hard time and COVID and all of that. You know, come on, man. Oh. 22, alright, 22,000 US is good, but make sure next week you send me 30,000 US, alright, bro? Yes, come on, man, yeah. Mom is good, man, mom is doing well. Yeah, me and mom good, man, yeah. Mom is going to England next week, you know, yeah, she's going on some business project, you know how the thing already. Mom is wealthy and all of that, which, you know, yeah, she said, hey, bro, mom tell me that she's gonna sign over the $1 million account that she have, the US one, not the local one, man. $1 million Jamaican is little, man. Yeah, bro, come on, man. Yeah. Rich kid. We rich kid, bro. Yeah, man. Hey, bro, when you come to Jamaica, you know, bro, me and you and stuff like that, bro, I have a girlfriend. I want you to meet her. Her name is Platinum. Yeah. And I think I might end up with 2 girlfriends, man. Yeah. Her sister, she likes me, bro. Yeah, bro. Come on, man. You know the thing, though. Hey, King Salaman. Hey. What a bombshell, my bro. Yeah, bro. So I'll talk to you soon, alright, bro? Yeah, no problem, man. I'll talk to you, man. Yeah, bro. Keep the business going, okay? Keep the business flowing. Yeah, you know the thing, though, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'll talk to you soon, bro. Yeah, man. Respect, bro. So you doing? Yeah, I was just dealing with some business, you know. So how's your sister doing?
She don't feel so good, man. She said she can't go. She don't feel so good.
She going to stay in the bathroom?
No, man. He still a throw up and things. So
watch you know. Since she in the bathroom, we could have performed a quickie.
No, me can't do that. We like, remember say tour we like you know, so I would have that.
So you don't want she know?
No.
Oh,
yes,
yes,
don't want just do it, so yeah.
So, check the later, man. Give me a number.
5299
5299
227
2276. Alright. No joke, man.
Yeah, so you can't go stay, no, so you have to go leave and thing.
Oh, she not feel so well.
Yeah, so you have to go come back tomorrow.
So you're not leaving later?
Yeah, man, me call.
Man, you have to link me later, man, so me can, you know.
Yeah.
Nice and sexy, too. No joke, so for sure.
I know, remember your shirt?
So he said, sure, we can do one quickie, man.
No, man.
2 minutes, man.
Remember saying sick, me can't do. Me have to tend to you. Me have to go back in the bathroom.
Gone fast, man.
No, man.
You sure?
Tomorrow.
No joke, man. Tell her.
Tomorrow. Come let me walk you out. Come.
Hey!
Come.
Hey! What about Michelle? Hey! You sure? You can't pass, man. You know? You sure you know how we was that quickie?
Calm down. You don't have me number already, my youth.
Where's the later?
Yes.
What about Michelle?
Yeah, man. Go on. Call me.
I will call you.
Yes.
What about Michelle?
Yeah. What a puppy show. Where you come from? Where you come from? Me never see somebody some from a band. You fool? Puppy show. Platinum! Come here. Gone. Come.
So what now?
Old puppy show.
Yeah?
Where you getting from?
Remember saying no business my papi show, me just want him
But
money.
he like me.
Yeah?
And he want bus quickie.
What's that?
He asked me number, so I give him it.
That's good. Cause remember we plan what we have.
Then tell him if he come back, must see tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That don't sound bad.
Yeah.
So when he said about the $20,000, you believe him?
Of course.
Alright.
You know, see a puppy show. Look point, my idiot, you know.
I true. If he saying go give me all money for sure.
Hey boy, give me all my money.
How much money you have?
Let me see.
Alright, give me. Let me put it with this.
Yes. And we went to plan up for go. So we are gonna make up that.
Okay.
And when they give you next money,
We put it on it too.
Yes.
Alright. So
Yeah.
make it go and just go put it up with the rest of the money.
Yeah.
And count it in the meanwhile.
Yeah.
So what you said? Tomorrow boy they come.
Yes, he might come tomorrow.
Alright. So Canada.
Here we come.
Man, them fully up a be a copper.
Brother, boss man, for boss long time, you know, man, they are
One
going
girl, two girl, me one.
Bob,
Touch man,
inside.
What a bombshell!
I know, right?
What a
I
bombshell!
want to yo,
Boy.
let me tell you something,
I want to
bad
bad
man.
mind, man.
Yo, you just said, man, this time I take all that money, spend for the girl, man, thing,
I'm
man.
not for your business,
No bother with that,
No
brother.
bother with that,
Oh,
brother.
never see me. Me not give my money, brother.
I wanna give my
No,
money.
we don't listen to
Yeah,
you. Easy
yeah,
yourself,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
Original
last time I did-
bombshell.
The last time, me dey on one liquors. and a little cat call me. And you see when I come so. Big old fat guy so. He boy a giggle.
And I regular.
How you mean?
Me skinny.
Wait there.
Skinny, you get
Wait
catch.
there. Skinny. Wait there. And I regular me answer for your jag and
Me
brother.
skinny.
How you mean?
I
Boy,
said
get
that
kicked.
right, brother. Me
Brother,
tell you this,
plastic
man, go
smile
up on
on
the
the
ends,
pan,
look
brother.
wild, brother. Me tell you this, me go
Yeah,
up on the
tell me
ends,
how you
look
go up on
wild,
the ends,
brother.
go down.
And me I tell you, say,
Give me a
brother,
right.
a girl did it so for you, brother. And I two
So
man
you
have one
don't
so-
give him no
one
money?
time money. Me give him piece of money, man. But I
You
want
see
little
what me
piece
I
of
tell you,
money.
say?
Brother, I saw me under it so for you and stay so. As
Eh?
me chop one so for you, me just go say in the next room and say, chop the next one so for you.
Man, lie about man. Where lie
Yo,
for you?
What
this a man,
about
this a
that?
man, this a
Brother,
man.
is you chop 2 girl?
Oh, you mean? Like two one time. Brother. Oh, yeah, them all look so. You're fresh,
Brother, you know, mommy, I
Yo,
look so.
let me tell
You chop 2 girl,
Mommy,
lad.
I look
So
so.
I can them
We will know how me
a
I
style
look so.
music, brother.
You know no style, man.
Who know the style? Me full of style and pattern,
So you have
brother.
two girl
What a
and you
bombshell.
say, ease yourself,
Yo.
man,
Me tell
boring.
you, say, you see, ends me just come off, brother. Me tell you, say, I just $2,000 me give them so much and promise them so much and sit there, you know.
God.
Yeah,
Judge, you know.
I want him to know.
Brother, what happened to me, brother? What happened to you, brother?
Want him to me.
Brother, what happened to yes, mommy, man? And that fit, yes, man. Yes, man.
Give me a chance
Yes,
to show
man.
mommy.
Mommy,
Give me a
mommy,
chance to
Talk to this blooming boy.
Give me a chance to mommy.
mommy, give him a chance, mommy. Give him a chance, mommy.
Hold on, money.
No, don't think it. No, mommy, give him a chance.
Okay, I money, man.
Yeah, man.
In front of my friend, them,
So,
man.
mommy still a lead.
I'm
Skinny, you're good, you're good.
Hold on, money.
Skinny, you still a get the. You feel respect to mommy too, man.
They out my friend, them, mommy.
Lick it, boy.
Mommy, see back here, mommy.
Lick it.
See, no, I joke here.
So what? You know what?
Mommy, give him a chance, mom. Mommy, give him a chance. Give him a chance.
Boy, you take the whole lot of money to eat girl them.
But
You're in farm, my brother. You're in farm, my brother.
Mommy don't do everything long time.
Where money there? Where money? Where money? So where money? Where money?
I like them at
Don't show me money.
They see you in the booyah
Where
them.
the God shop? Where money?
Plastic, so man, boy.
no money. I like them at
money.
See back here, mommy. Lick him in the face. Kind of. I choose give mommy making lick in
them
the
at
face.
Lick it, boy.
Let me hear with them out. Nobody don't tell no lie for me.
This man, me beg you one dragon. How much one dragon?
One up.
Bad.
Come me go
One up.
See
Right,
tell us
it's right up on the hill, right up on the hill.
See back way a lot, mommy. Give him one more on the same spot.
Where the wine? Where the wine
follow me up.
How will you drink make the wine? What kind of wine is that? You them can't wine. What's some people wine?
Boy, take the whole lot of money
Nobody know where the wine is. I mean, never say you can't wine. You can't wine like that.
Straighten up, boy.
I skinny, I him near skinny bang.
Be a scammer.
Think I next skinny bang.
No, woman, I lie them at tell Pam.
What the level?
Which one are we at the life? No, we are at
in front of me.
Time nonsense, mommy. Get sorry up in there.
Mommy, I look up boy, mommy. Look how you did me like me. Me, I look up boy.
Man, carry him up.
See, you know, no bell.
Give
Give
Hey, boy, carry him
mommy
up.
bell, make it box in
Enjoy the
my
mommy.
face.
Which woman you
Boy,
are?
like a bad man. That boy like a bad man. Go on up.
Two girls now one day.
Boy.
Can I help
Boy,
your
take the whole
friend?
life
Can I
full
help
money
your
and tell
friend?
you get woman. Wicked boy.
Mama don't.
I come up and sing big song.
Mommy, just
Big man now, you know, look up.
give me a chance, now, mommy. Give me a chance. I say, although I'm begging me beer, you know, give me a chance, now, mommy.
Go on up. Boy.
Tell me that chat to the boy and the boy now here. The boy did this.
This you, but bless you must take. Give one more on the spot where you just give my take up one stone and bust up
And
your
give
face.
me a gonna go, mommy.
Bad bless you must take you.
Yo, so me I show
Boy,
no
a
say.
joke,
Them
lad.
boy, they are
Yeah,
clown,
boy,
brother.
they are clown, bro. Plastic.
Man, come show me the girl. Come show me the girl. Come show me the girl.
Yes, man. Yes, boy, had two girls. Yes, boy, I'm back to my man. Yeah, man. Kick him. What was it?
Me a big man, me a big man, I lit me something to her.
I feel him.
Can't bother, I know.
I make me one beat you. Where you looking for?
Me can't bother, I
You
know.
come out here looking for?
Yo.
Are you walking on gas stand? So where you looking for?
Me a gone father, I know, because me can't.
Can you go show me the girl then?
Man, which girl at that
See
one?
them girl them where they wind up and down there so. I want to see them. Come on, have a talk with them.
Man, I hope the road then live, mommy.
So we can go up the road.
Tomorrow.
Adam! One ball, yeah?
No.
Let me get it for ball.
No, man.
You when I get on for ball. Look at ear. Ear.
Ah, mommy, I'll be road.
Alright, come on. Big man.
Can't bother with your chicken.
So we want to cook then?
Want something different.
Like what, pork?
No, like shrimp or something.
Alright, that sound good. You know, some Murty when saying go put more for dinner. But you know him and feel man tan. Sure. Every day kick off. Can't bother ya, man.
No boy that day. No boy that day.
Come on, man, come show me the girl them. Come show me them, man. Come show me the girl them. Come show me them.
Big man like coming.
Oh, you mean big man like coming? I tell you, say big man a bullfrog. How much time?
Man, slim.
Are them that?
Yeah.
Then two pretty girl eh?
Yes, mommy.
So, why, oh, you mean you want to scam them?
Me not scam nobody, mommy.
Oh, you mean you not scam nobody? But I that me hear around they tell them, are them two girl here? Eh, miss, we know him?
Yeah, we know it.
Where you know him from?
You run a yard.
The door. Oh, you mean? You don't know mouth?
You don't know him now.
So, funny face good. Why you telling us say? But why you telling us say look on your face? Hey! What? We say why you telling us say? Like what? Like what?
Mom,
He may run on the yard. Why run on the yard?
We don't know, we just start.
So why you go now?
You're not giving up.
Why you go now?
What?
You not going to have money?
No.
So when do the money want me give?
Me don't know.
Where you do the money?
me last. Mommy, money last.
Last way.
Me have the money.
You see a blinking face here when dog and color mix up together. How can I feel? Look here, where my money?
Mommy, a big man last.
Big man way. Oh, you mean you're a big man?
I'm a big man, man.
Come to the egg, the where egg money we sell today.
I wish egg money at
The egg them.
You love ransom, mommy.
Me not ramp.
Stop it, mommy.
Me why? Me not.
Give me one moment. Mommy. Hold on, mommy. Me talk to you. Me reason where they're looking at, man.
Talk to me, man. Come, where me egg money? Where me egg money?
Right then.
Where me egg money?
Stop it, mommy. Mommy,
How you sign to?
Mom, me make look investment camp. Mom, what's the one?
Why you too lie? Lie. What kind of investment? What kind of investment?
Man, you know, like, you look-
Investment way. Investment way. What kind of investment? Where me egg money?
Man.
And I first did it.
Mommy, I love ransom, man.
Ramp way. Me look like me ramp.
Mommy,
Mommy,
just
not
listen,
beating
mommy.
Yeah, I do. Me feel sorry for him. Not beating.
Mommy, hold on, me explain to you,
Explain.
mommy.
I'm a good
Mommy,
friend.
Hold on, Miss Ponce. You know what's my finance slippers are down here, so.
I'm going to feel slippers up the road.
Mommy, hold on, mommy.
Leave it, man.
Me don't know, me just feel sorry for him.
Hold on, Miss Ponce. Hold on. You hear what my office say. Give him a chance, man.
Yeah,
Put
give
your
me a
slippers
chance,
skinny,
man. You mean always nice to it.
Nice to know.
Mommy, hold on,
You know him? Look at that face.
hold on, mommy.
Miss Ponce.
I'm one of the biggest criminal.
Miss Ponce.
You not allow me in the house.
Me see when you might give girl the
You
money.
left him alone in the house.
Which money? You see giving no money?
What you mean?
You
Me
see
see.
giving no money?
Me the
First of
right
all,
through
you
the
know
fence
we.
and see.
First
What
of
you
all, you
mean?
know we.
What you mean?
We don't get no money, yeah. We don't get no money.
You sure you don't get no money?
No, we don't get no money. See, we don't have money. We
So
don't
good
get no
girl
money.
that trying to make this a come on the yard and not go no nothing.
Where's he
So
say?
what list then?
No, where's he say? My
Oh, no,
papi
my
sure. How we
I'm
running?
for Pitney call Papi Show.
Man, hold on, mommy. Man, hold on.
Where can we Pitney Papi Show for? And me one must call him Papi
Listen,
Show.
man.
See, those time me I tell you to
But
come
let's share
on.
papi show too.
What happened? Where me money? Where me egg money?
Mommy, just relax, look on, mommy.
Alright.
Make a reason, mommy. Make your reason, mommy. Yeah, mommy, take a deep.
Come out the road, yeah.
Miss Ponce, watch your car come. Let me take out a slippers from here.
Yes,
Come to driver.
Big this.
Who him?
I thought you call. I thought you call.
Which virgin dog?
You know him?
You know that? One. Third one.
OJ, hold on, OJ.
One.
He must stop.
So you egg money you take away from him, so what? So me let
OJ! OJ!
The boy, man.
Thief your money, thief your egg money. Me send him to the when? Yesterday.
How much money?
About 5 grand he's supposed to give me.
Eh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
The money I have to buy the phone feed
You see
them.
that one and a pink. 2 days past straight, Mrs. Skinny, I can money go here.
I lie, man, tell me.
A lie.
They ever want
Yo,
to follow me up and say,
OJ.
bad company, man. Me no
You
bad.
just had yabba, so.
Not to listen. Man, man, a friend. I lie, man.
Give me.
Man, I lie.
OJ, if you when me and you did that pass and you go on the corner round to, who you say she give the money?
I don't know, this looks so different.
Man, I lie, them and tell, man.
A lie.
Are you me that take money?
No, miss, and not me.
Are you?
No. No. One is brown girl live round the road. Maybe I see them
You.
attack.
Where next brown girl?
I lie, them and tell, man.
Where next brown girl?
Man, just hold on, man.
Where next brown
Just
girl?
try the next brown girl.
Hey.
Just try the next brown girl.
Which uncle? When you get uncle? Are your father, brother?
Uncle, I go. Hold on, man.
Take that
man,
money.
that's
Uncle.
Hold on.
Who are you?
Mommy, just hold on. Me a reason, man.
Reason? Tell me about me egg money. The fall them in I come no get no feeding and a them
Come on,
they wait
boy.
man.
Man, me could just
Where me
look-
egg money?
Lick the boy, Miss Muncie.
Hold on, me have something.
Miss Muncie, lick the boy.
Hold on, make a reason.
Alright, we are listening. Come, we don't get no money.
Remember say your son a good boy, so for Joe. And Mommy,
Hey!
I church you that son.
Hey! My God strike you.
Miss Muncie, if you be a lie, me I tell. Me sing gig girl them song. Canada money, one time he come show me.
Don't listen to them.
Where you Canada money?
Your
Your father send money come here and I quiet.
He not send me no money. Mommy, you know
Your
say
father
me
send me money
Your
come
boy
here
have
and
to
I
go.
quiet.
Mommy, no, me can't.
Yo,
Yesterday,
you're
you know,
wicked.
he say
Your
send
boy,
me
you're
money.
wicked,
Two
yo.
of them tell lie now. I'm gonna try tell lie for your mommy.
He say he send me money.
I lie, man.
So when you get Canada money?
Me not get no Canada
Lick your
money.
boy.
Hey, come.
But
Lick your boy, Miss
and share
Muncie.
some.
So I
Lick
don't
your
need
boy.
money.
No.
That's all I go on.
Lick your boy, Miss Muncie.
Man, me call daddy yesterday at Canada. Me get some credit and me call him. Me say, daddy, you know say he fall in one feeding and stuff which you want sitting. You know he tell me say he send your money stuff which you want sitting. I'm tell
You
lie
talk
for
to your father?
Yeah, I'm tell lie for
You have your number for your father?
Yeah, me could
So you
call
don't tell
him.
me that?
No,
No,
yesterday
oh,
me
you
get
don't
it.
tell me that?
Mommy, yesterday me get it.
Oh, you say lie,
Me
boy.
not tell no lie, mommy.
Just
You
your
know say
face.
me not
Yeah,
tell-
Miss Muncie say brown girl I walk away with the money there.
Mommy, I go
Which brown girl?
clean out the fall cook.
Miss Muncie see girl I go with the money
Look
when
here.
Go clean out the
If you don't find me money, give me a sleep now. You go sleep with the phone then.
Me a clean out
That
the
man
fall.
say
Go
cheeky.
feed,
Yo,
sleep phone man. Then
cheeky, man.
make them yam you.
Man.
Because they don't get no feeding and they must yam you tonight.
Man,
They
no.
must yam you. That's all me have to say. Me no want you nothing.
Me a go-
Fry
me a
you.
go- me a
Girl
clean out.
clown.
Nothing me no want you from
Yeah,
you. What list?
Set your clothes.
What list, boy? Harry, Papi show for you, you know.
Harry Papi show, yes.
Watch me on the look in farmer boy. That's how you can't get no girl around no boy. See no boy.
Girl clown.
Just wait, yeah. Just wait, yeah. That's how you can't get no woman around no style. Look at you, them stuff for sure. I want to come on me yard and see, yeah. But I want to put poison on the food. Watch me, I'm going to come on me about no one food. Go in the farmer boy. First boy, let me see food. Hey,
Girl
food.
clown. Girl clown. Take all of your money spent on girl.
Where was your food for? Where was your food for?
She do dirty up, man. You know I'm going like house and dirty up.
Like so. You call them feed already?
No, go feed them.
When? Where feed you feed them?
No feed none of them, man.
Then the money want me to tell you to go sell the egg to buy the feed.
Mommy,
and
me I tell you, say last money last, mommy.
So what the Poland supposed to do? But they don't feed from man, you know, you wait from man, me see up a girl here the wine.
Me no put, man, me I tell you, say me no put.
No, but it's time to reason say you know, can no feed and come to the Poland and the poor for him like from man in the feed.
Man, me I tell you, say money last, money. You just
Hello, put on the water. Put on, I buy the water, nobody don't know.
Man, I have one partner job, forget it.
What partner job? Where get money to your partner?
I look aside work come do more while, man.
Side work?
Yeah, mommy.
So much them pay you? Much them pay you?
10,000 a partner job, me actually.
So all of them you have to say where money, where they get and you say you don't get no money.
Oh, that the time me didn't get none. Brother down there, mommy, I be work people down there and I don't pay them, you know.
So me raise as an idiot to work and I don't pay you and you know see your grandmother here.
I don't want to go war them and cause no trouble, mommy.
But so if you eat, me can go to Mr. Chingo to see your work and I don't pay you and the phone them and this and the little egg now sell more so.
Tomorrow, I last
What do you
money.
mean you talk about tomorrow? So where they go me say?
Mom, I want to sleep, mom.
And if I could be there go tonight, come and tell us if you don't get no
Mommy, me can't sleep in a folk.
Alright, so all the phone them supposed to eat.
Mommy can't. Tomorrow.
Where they go?
Mommy,
Okay, come.
Mommy, wait.
Come and talk to the phone and tell them
Talk
why.
to which phone,
Come
mommy?
talk to the phone and tell them why they don't get no feed.
Which phone me I go talk to? Mommy,
phone
me can't
them.
sleep in a folk.
Me no business at the phone and you have to go talk to. If you don't get no feed, then I'll leave. You have to give it to. You have the one son. And look how you the cheat. Look how you the gunner. Big man you drop. What is the state of a big man? What does it require to be a... That? Then jenga in your face? And that make us think you're a big man? None of your arm up on your front you think you're a big man? Eh? Easy what? Me say the fall them round the from man, you know, if they don't want to go there at 25 grand we pay for the fall them, you know.
Tomorrow I get dirty.
No, you're going to run it tonight with the fall them. Not inside.
We are
not
coming.
inside
Man, me
here.
not go.
Inside not.
Man, me not. Sure.
Go
Sure.
straight.
Every time you want to put me in a phone, sleep, man.
Come go in a folko man, out
Oh,
of
somebody
order.
can't sleep
Go
in
to
a
order.
folko, man.
Go and go sleep in a
Man,
folko. You don't feed the fall them and make sure say you don't push out the fall them off of the rules. And the traumatize the fall them neither. What mean what kind of slackness? What kind of slackness you're sleeping at the folko with the fall them? Then you will know how you learn lesson and you also make sure say the fall them get feed in the daytime. You took out of order. You do that so bad.
Somebody can't sleep in a phone. That be nice to man. You come like kind of thing, but not to no fool on this stuff with you. Yeah, shit for me, I say. Hello? Ginger baby. Go on, baby. Yeah, go on with it. No, go on, man. I saw my mother and prof more while, man. You know, I saw, you know, true, she senile. You know, she alright, man. You know, follow up, man, and sit, man. You know, oh, mother turn and, oh, come on. That's nothing. You know, yeah, me there, you know, my bed I go and lie down, go on, you know, just don't eat dinner. Fish mother cook for me, you know. and carrot juice. What a bombshell. Yeah, I tell them there and sitting so with you. I miss you already, you know. Yeah. Which money? That the money they good. By tomorrow me get that the money there, man. Quick and fast, man, you know. I couldn't tell my mother then sitting there because my mother sometimes, you know, she don't really understand and they little thing, you know, so, you know, pay my mother no mind, man, you know, yeah, she good, man, yeah, so may I see you tomorrow, baby?
Yeah, man, I can't see me.
Me can't, baby, me there think about you, so for you. Yeah, baby, I want to give you a couple kisses, so for you, you know. Me lock down for you all day, sister, they home tomorrow.
Your sister dey home tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
She dey home backside. So how it work? Oh, you know, could have put her to sleep, you know. Yeah, me a gone now and next room so with you. Oh, what a bombshell. Yeah. But right now, I'm tired and want to sleep, man. Because I tell her all day. So it was a long day, you know.
Yeah, it's a long day.
Yeah. 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 You're nice, you know, baby, you know. You're nice, man. So, me see you tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Expect me tomorrow, man.
Alright.
So they want me tomorrow enough. Sorry.
Alright, baby. No say 40, hear me, I see you. See you tomorrow. Alright. Say, you know, give me some kiss, though.
No, sir. When I see tomorrow, I get pissed.
Tomorrow, alright. The real one, them. That's better. Alright, tomorrow, baby. Sleep well, here. Come there, I'm gonna wrap up under my sheet, you know.
You sleep well, too.
Alright, baby. Alright. Tomorrow. Alright. Yo, no, you know, say when you're too loud, it's easy, man. Sure. Alright, I'm gonna call baby Platinum, man. No. Yes. When you think when you can't talk the show. My show, me I start. Candidate. Hello?
Hi, baby.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, you sound happy tonight. Good to hear from you, baby, you know.
I know. I was worried about you. Okay?
About what? Worry about what?
You and your mom.
No, man, no watch my mother, man. That's some of my mother and prof, man. Sometimes she senile, I know. So that's what she did sometime, man. No watch no face, man. Sure. That's nothing. Yeah, that's nothing. Right now, me just there finish eat, you know, curry goat and pine juice.
Oh, yeah? And she cooking you?
Yeah, so she, I tell you, so she stay right now in bed, me there wrap up and go sleep and thing, you know, tired out. Yeah.
So what do you mean that background like a phone?
No, sir. No, yeah, you're the best, man.
You sure? Yeah, man, me hear the phone, man. You sure?
Yeah, baby, no, man, you know, fall, man. I must say outside in there. Can I fall in? Yeah, I must say outside, man.
Okay, maybe something wrong with me ears. Because I know me a earphone, but...
Babe, come on, man. Come on, I'm in a bedroom with them, man. Which fall? Don't worry about fall. Fall, alright. Fall outside, now then cook, alright. Me not too long go feed them and stuff. Give them feeding.
Okay.
So, you know, say I have 4 bags of feeding in a cup stuff with you. And your mother talk about food. And so she stay. You have to just get used to her. And so she stay, man. No, son, no embarrassment. That good, man. She alright. She not... You will get to know her. One of them day, I care come and meet her officially.
Yeah,
What a bombshell.
What about me and you?
Yeah, baby, may I get married, you know, baby? What you talk about?
Yeah?
Yeah, may I get married?
Wow,
Yeah.
when that?
Yeah, soon.
Soon?
Yeah, next month, arrange a wedding and stuff. But now you come meet mother officially. Can you see how she turn? That's how she behave and go on.
Okay,
Yeah, she
that's
alright.
bad. So when me I see you?
Tomorrow, baby. Tomorrow.
Alright,
Yes.
that
Yes.
sounds good.
Yes, you
Yes,
feel
man.
better, baby?
Yeah.
You feel
What about
better?
the money? What about the money we need to get?
Which money that, baby?
You need to get one next money.
Oh, yeah. I forget. what a treat for my mother. What a bombshell. I forget.
Man. Me I hear the phone, man. Me I hear
Babe,
the phone
stop.
with you, man.
No fall outside the fall them there, but through my window then near. Well, I'm lucky window. Oh, like sitting the window. Babe, sitting the window. Me I try lock it and it not lock. It not lock.
Get it fixed, man. Get it fixed. Because phone them really low.
Yeah, tomorrow me I go deal with that, baby, you know. Tomorrow me deal with that. I have plenty money, tomorrow me just pay somebody to fix it.
That's so good. So you say me I pay tomorrow?
Tomorrow, no problem.
I carry money tomorrow.
So fit true.
Yeah?
Oh, what a bombshell.
Alright. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait.
You rate it. You rate it. You rate it. Alright, baby. Now go sleep right now. Yes, baby. I'ma hug up my pillow and think, boy.
Alright, do that. I'm going to do the same too.
Okay. Yes.
Alright.
See you tomorrow, baby. Okay, baby.
Alright,
See you
bye.
tomorrow. She thinks she's smart. Maybe what tell her say, yeah, get money. Oh, sure. She alright. Come on, try play me. Play me. Official skinny. What about Michelle? Copy nice, man.
Lord Jesus. Can't hold it when you sit down and wait for the people name. Pick out the plan and money come. I did my the last people every time they saw them turning and must say bite me up. I'm telling me one the people them already telling me say you know. To carry early because when me lock my door and me gate, me no want nobody they come knock and they come tell me about then they come to me. How that?
Terry, man.
Oh, Miss Thy nephew, Lord Jesus, come no man, come, me dey wait for a long time. How it take so long to come?
You know, sir, traffic hold me up.
Traffic where you come from?
Downtown.
Downtown, so no go forget baby before no come carry the money come give me. Me tell your auntie say, to send the money come in time, because the lady come for your money since even now, I have to tell her that somebody not coming yet.
And she will up the thing, man.
No man, you have to warn her and tell her, says, me not put her back in her partner again.
Alright,
Now put her back. Give me money. Tell your auntie how do you hear?
Yeah, man.
And tell her hope she get well and alright. And tell her say just do little better. It's not going to take her with her partner. Alright, safe travel.
Alright, no problem.
Safe, yes, alright, thanks. Hey, me not turn back, you see. If you minute the woman, the whoa, the partner when she forget her draw, she dey run come here 5 o'clock in the morning if you have money. Watch me and her this time. How that? Come in. Come. I saw you did sound like a miss woman, the face the granddaughter.
A poochie.
Me know say you man. How you come now? You look like your granny give the money from man and you run there sleep.
She just give me, she said she did short of 500 and she did want the 500 and she can't find the 500 so me can't.
So are you ain't take you away? Are you
me?
She always tell me say they take away her money. Tap to
me don't know if mama keep her money, miss take it partner, yeah. When she find 500 she give it to you.
Tell her don't send her back round here. Don't send her back round here.
Me not have to come back. Your mama is safety. Every day you tell like
that's on the young people. Go on to me gate. For a crosses. This time I don't know these people and they pick me and crosses pick they send them corona before they come pay for the money on time. Well, thank God they come pay still, so when Miss Jennifer comes she will get her money. Can't take them. I go run them out of my partner, you see. Watch me on them. Go and see where the boy the skinny day because that boy every time he knows me get her money he come search my room. But me, I go trick him this time. Because when I put in a book, I'm not going to see a book. And I tell the boy, say, take one book and read in that dead if you take up one book. I will be alright. Yeah, right, the man. Go look at myself. No money, alright, I now read. I'm not thinking go trouble the book for this one. You know?
Many money more ketchup up in by him. Oh, what a bombshell. Whoa. A, B, C, D, E. Read. Mommy! My soon come, yeah?
Alright, nobody stay too long, you know, because I'm lock the door, I'm not open it.
My soon come, Mama. I'm not take long.
How many go by the way? Where you go?
I go deal with something for Andrew, cause him they beg me sort out something, but you me never get to deal with this man. Me did a read and something, cause
So, you come to help us?
no, man, me just deal with something for Andrew.
Alright,
Nah,
we
stay
just
long.
come back and I can't too long.
Alright, me so come.
Alright.
And the boy a thief, you know?
Of course, the boy
You know, say mother deal with him.
Oh my God, the boy gets so
Right.
lick, you know?
I first never see this in our history.
Don't
I
it?
laugh till I weak.
Girl, you think you laugh it and me laugh? Me know the boy no dead. The boy tough, you know? He tough, man, because then the little way mother give me no, oh, you know dead.
Me sorry for him.
You sorry for him? And the money me want. Me just not want him to dead
Me
because
just
me want
him
him to
thief
give me the
some
money.
go and give me.
That's all.
I mean,
Yes.
my thief, you know.
So about the 20 grand we see the boy talk about on the phone.
It sound like you ain't go get it for you, man.
Yeah? And the boy a thief, you know, so.
You will thief, give it.
will thief,
So
he
you
come
go
give
and
it
forget
for
it,
you.
go give it.
Then, Bolande. Then on the folk with the boy sleeping now. He mother tell him to sit on the folk home. And hear and no. The boy call me, you know. And when he call me, I know say me hear phone on the background. And me ask the boy about the phone, you know. Boy can talk about, oh, my bedroom is just near the folk home.
I want to take you for a plat
Me
now.
no know. Papi short just like him. And guess what again now? You the boy no. Oh, wait a minute. Let me go close the window. They hear him no. Oh, the window broke.
I read Papi Shore,
I read Papi Shore. Like he thinks that me a idiot, but I him at the Papi Shore.
I'm at the Papi Shore. I just want to get the money, go and
I
give
just
it.
want to get the money.
I want more.
Who that?
What if I know?
Me no know. You think I him?
Me no know.
Me a him?
Who that?
Who is it?
I'm skinny. What a bombshell.
Just a minute.
You don't know what
Well I know.
you just lock up in the house and flat up.
Go on, this. If you ask me, tell me I see.
Some men want to talk to him.
Yes, no worries, I may come out back.
Alright. Go on, man. Chop. Well I know.
Platinum baby.
What
What
going?
a bombshell.
What's going on?
What a bombshell.
Well I know. What going? The color me not see you.
I like time I see you so
Me know. Later man.
So yeah, move so.
Oh me a
Give
move.
me a hug, man. Chop.
Later.
You look nice though. Spin around, my friend.
Thank
Nice
you.
and real. So true. What a bombshell.
Baby dizzy.
What a bombshell. Nice.
Later.
Wait.
Alright. Go on over there. So me lock the door. Me lock the door behind you.
Oh, what a bombshell.
So what going with you now?
Me there.
Skinny.
But the way I was.
You don't tell her already, so later.
There, man.
So what going with you?
There, man. I'm going easy, man, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So, all the money I go?
Baby, me just reach and talk about money. Come on, man.
Alright, me talk about it later then.
Come on, man. I know money time, man. Money alright, man.
So what kind of time
money
now?
Enough. Money enough.
So what kind of time now?
For me, your time.
For me, your time, what you mean?
By the way, where Ginger?
Where Ginger?
Yeah, Ginger in there.
She must be asleep. What about we? What about the money? Me no know. Wow. We ask about Ginger for.
Money alright. Money
We ask about Ginger for.
Money there enough.
The money there enough. Let me see it now.
So for sure. Money there, money almost.
So let me see it now.
Listen to me, man. Good things come to those who wait.
Okay, so what is the one talk about then?
Eh,
Oh, yeah, move so close.
Platinum, yeah, moves.
Because I say big stuff over this
How
now.
long me not see so for sure? What do you think, boy? You know?
Think about me about what? What you think
Only
about?
for things, man.
Like
Think
what,
about
for
it.
example?
You know, say, me have to marry so for sure.
What
Yeah. No joke.
You reach a marriage already, you didn't even know
Yeah,
me
I mean,
stay?
Yeah, worry about that, man. I love him, man.
You love-
nice and clean, everything up.
Alright. So when you don't want the wedding?
I say, next week, today.
Next week today? No man, you're too quick.
Quick like quicksilver.
What's up? No sir.
That's true.
Alright.
It's early bird catch the most worm.
Yeah, true. Alright, we go marry you then. Alright, we go marry you. So where you ring?
Together, eh?
So you ring?
I buy a ring, man. I wear yourself.
You buy the ring?
Yeah, me have one piece of money on the line. But me have something for you special today. You have to wear
Oh,
yourself.
today?
Yeah, baby.
So show me now.
Hmm?
So when you show me?
Listen to me now.
Me a listen.
Stop worry yourself, man.
Me not worry
Me have
myself.
Me have everything covered down for you, so for true. You understand? You know, you have to
At
worry
least show me
yourself.
one little piece side. So me can
little
feel
piece.
relaxed and know say yeah, they fit you. Show one little piece side now.
Think good, man.
I this runner so. Watch out!
I saw you go and picture that.
You show me now. Later.
Later.
Yes.
Listen, I get something.
Everything you get.
No more like our ginger sleep. We can do a little thing quick and fast.
We will
yeah,
find
quickie,
so.
we just
We will
quickie.
find so if we
Quick
do
and
that.
fast.
We will
Yeah,
find
quick
so
and
if we do
fast.
all of that.
Yeah.
Me not believe in a quickie. Me have to take long.
Yes. I'm a long too.
Yes, exactly. Perfect. Yes.
Yeah, me love it so much.
So me see something now. At least one little piece.
You put yourself, but support yourself, man. Everything alright, man. You have enough money for yourself, with you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, no, so we love enough money.
Enough money.
Hey. Stop it now.
Sure.
So make you go and so.
See, I deal me so rough.
What you mean?
That deal me
But
so
we don't
rough,
tell us
man.
later already.
I know some man a money man so for sure.
So show me. Prove yourself say you have money. Me feel say you broke.
I broke well.
Me feel say you broke. Me feel say you broke.
Plenty money.
So show me now. Show me something now. Watch out. Show me something. What? Where? Where we supposed to say?
Now it's what I
So tell me my ear then.
it's what I me have the money man. Support yourself.
So you, where you can show me? Like seriously, where you can show
money,
me?
man. Come on.
Come on, right now me stress.
I'm also baby.
Come on, man, right now me stress right now. And the money me I
Stress.
try different. I come about kissy I love you now.
Baby,
Do
stop
something
worry
there.
about money, no man. Me I tell you, so me have enough money, man. And fit my money there enough.
You sure
Everything
your mother money you talk about?
Platinum, ease yourself, no man. What kind of mother money you talk? But my money. You know, hard me work so for sure. My friend, $1 million a week, me and I'm tell you.
Really?
Crazy money, man.
So,
Crazy,
so your mother
crazy
beat you for
man.
money, so you thief for money, all them is something there.
Beat my mother beat me. Oh, my mother for beat
What
me.
you mean? Then your mother talk about so you thief out the money come give you and them something there.
You see it platinum, you're not learning, you know.
But remember so when did then and your mother went ask me now?
No, me tell her say I play me and mother play a song me and my mother and but sure, yeah, stop move some man. Me have enough money for you. I say, remember say promise me.
Then I say your mother run rough then?
Yeah. Platinum babe, come on baby man, but say promise me something man.
Me know me promise you something, but right now
Come
me
on.
really stressed right now, yeah
Come
man.
on.
And there's some money just a defend right now, yeah man.
But baby, you promised me last time.
Me
same time
know,
come
me
back.
know, but me don't tell you already say later, cause me stress out. And if me stress out, it not go
Let me
nice.
not give you some money last week, man.
You know enough. You know enough. Want more money, you know enough.
Baby, stop move some man.
All me a move.
I have money for you, man. Stop worry yourself now.
What?
Like how ginger sleep. We could have spoke someone.
No, me don't tell us later. When me stress out, me just can't do it when time me stress out right now. Just some money me want right now, I'll go on.
Come on, man, baby, man. Come now.
What?
Me tired now,
At
man.
least
Every
give me
time
something
I
now,
want
give me
pay.
something. Me can't do it if me not get no money.
Then me now give you some money, man. Me have enough money,
When?
man.
Next year? Next never?
Listen to me, right? listen. You don't have to worry about no money, alright? With me skinny, original skinny, what a bombshell, I have plenty money for you. I have money in the bank. Listen to me now, baby. I have a lot of money. I have asset upon assets.
So where they?
Me have cow,
Where proof?
me have goat, me have land, me have everything. So for you right now, 2 taxi me have on the road, you know. 2 taxi, and we just order 2 more cars to put red plate on and make the thing smooth out. So for you, cause you know them 2 taxi there for you, baby.
Listen, me no want a cow, goat, house, whatever. I need a raw cash right now. And that's what I need right now. Can make me stress out right now. So where they? Where they? Where money there? Where money there?
Calm down, now, baby man. Calm down now. Calm down, man. Cool down, man. Cool down. Yeah,
Not tell me if you cool down. Show me something. At least show me something then. At least show me see I be paying you then.
You not trust me.
That's all they do. I clean off your teeth. Where money there?
Oh, what a bombshell. You not trust me, true.
No, me no know, but show me something. Show me something then. Let me feel
show,
nice
man.
then. Let me feel. At least let me feel. Let me feel nice.
Make you feel nice.
Let me feel. Money. MONEY. Money.
No, I can't bother with your style now, so for you, no. Yo, can't
You
bother
know what?
with me.
Me don't know. All of a sudden my belly don't feel good. Give me a minute.
Platinum, but you know, I'm going to prepare myself here, yeah. Go on,
Really?
Go on and come back now, baby.
Give me a minute. We can't buy no ginger. Because I know me can't see no money. Me feel same pocket broke and all them something. So right now me can't buy there no. Cause I know me can't.
No?
Application what you mean by?
You say that just.
Me not say papi sure, but I know me can't. I know keep on talking about the money in my pocket, the money in my pocket. I know you can't be sure that you will want to piece of tip or something. What you have to make an offer for me?
Have little patience, man.
Me don't know what
Just
name
tell him what you want to hear, man.
Me tell him everything. And all him can't show me the money. And he must say money in pocket, money in pocket.
Money must in him pocket, man.
So why you can't show me the money all now?
You asking me?
What?
You asking me?
What?
You asking me?
Yes, he asked you. I'm tell you say probably asleep or something.
Alright, go in that room. You deal with him.
You will deal with him?
Yeah.
Make sure
Me
you
know
know.
what to tell him, man.
Alright.
Man. Me deal with him, man. Deal with the boy, yeah. Platinum, no know if you deal with him. Me deal with him. Skinny.
Whoa,
Just waking up. Take up your foot, man.
Wait,
Take up your foot, them. You don't want to relax.
What a bombshell. Nice. Already.
So I go on.
Then you know free platinum. You know free platinum concert.
Man, she good, man.
You sure? Why am I nervous?
No nervous, man.
You sure?
You alright?
Yeah, man, you're right, man. I'm glad to see you. How long you come and ask you?
How long me not see you?
Oh, God, man. Damn, baby, you look nice, though. I look for you. Look nice for you.
So I go on.
Nice. Do you
Where
watch
when they do?
Rolex? No, sir. Yeah.
You like it?
Them there, man. So
Nice,
you should.
man.
Platinum. Suppose platinum come see me. Ah, that me like it, you know, baby. You know, for all the dance with you.
Yes.
Give me like it.
No, man. Only for the bedroom.
The bedroom? I. Oh! So for you, what a bombshell. You know?
Yeah.
No joke, so for you.
Yeah.
No joke.
See, alright? Eat already?
No, sir, me no want no food, man. Remember the local thing they already promised me?
Yeah, but
Listen,
you
can't get it now.
have to hold on.
Wait, power.
You have to hold on.
Then suppose platinum come with platinum.
You know the room, you know, promote it.
You sure?
I'm gonna do something.
Alright, so me could go second.
No. Wait, let's do it. Me want to tell you something, you know. Me want some money for day with something.
Money? Then me no give money other day.
No, so that the money I went for groceries.
The 20,000, 25.
That I don't know money. That I don't know money, man. You know, say that I don't know money, man.
Me have enough money for you, man. You have to worry yourself, man.
But I want the money to go buy something before night come down.
Money you want?
Yeah.
Me have some money for you. I have something special for you.
That one here.
Well, baby, look nice though.
Yeah.
Yeah, money you want? I have money for you.
Man. What I can do, man?
Me just say get 25. Last week 25. I this week 25.
Let me see. So that the money I feel like.
Baby, hold on, baby. Calm down, man. Calm down, have something. Left some for later. Left some for later.
Right.
Enough money there, man. Enough money. Say no. Yeah. No more room there. No more room there. We could eat in the bathroom.
No, we can't do it. I don't want she come in. Suppose she want to use the bathroom. You don't know it's style already.
So, one look apart must run them and see.
No,
She have to wait by them time. You can't bother your man, me I'll go.
That we don't like with you, you know.
But I'm my friend them though.
That me not like with you. You have easy for bakes.
Yeah, me no bakes, man. I'm just a baby. Come now. Me not take too long. Make me get some more money.
Give me, no.
More money? Come on, to bed. Let's okay, I'm good.
Yeah. Come on.
You're nice, boy.
Okay, I'm managing her.
It make you manage.
Yeah.
Oh, what a bombshell.
Boy, sweetie. Your body, no? You never know say something.
What a bombshell. That was a rush.
Man.
Hey. Boy, I'm tired, man. I think I can go. Go now.
Yes.
No, I'm going. Oh. Backside. Like you just put in a room.
No, man, find me.
Boy, you're not easy, you know. Well, I'm not baby, yeah, what she thinks. Yeah, what she thinks. What's a Bobby shell? Well, I'm wet.
Just give me one item.
Well, I'm not baby, yeah.
I show your body now.
A joke. Yes, we can't come back tomorrow.
Yeah.
The platinum said we can't come back here.
Yeah. Come on. Come.
What a bombshell.
So why not buy no shirt?
Platinum baby, awake. Awake. That's a bit show. Yes, at one day I sleep.
Yeah.
Alright.
What a bombshell.
See what happened?
Me there. Me sleep my place hot man baby.
You alright?
One by one AC baby.
Oh my god. Come now.
Come, where we are go?
Go sit over here, so come.
It's a bit show.
Go sit down, man.
You just sleep out the whole idea, it's a bit show.
So I go on. You want something for drink?
Sure.
Ginger, get something drink there.
Alright.
Oh, you just sleep out the whole idea, sir.
I'm just tired, man. So I go on. Cock up your foot, man. Yes, man. Cock up your foot and make yourself company.
No,
So I go on.
Carry the water for you.
Oh, thank you.
Carry one big mug, so you know,
Thank
say
you.
thirsty. You comfortable?
Thirsty,
Take
man.
time, take
Yes, so take time and take your water now.
Man, hot baby, man.
Alright, drink some more water.
More water, man. You're hot for you. What's it?
I may say.
Take time.
What a bombshell. What a lifestyle.
You comfortable? You alright?
I feel nice.
You feel nice?
So we go on. Thank you. Why me I tell you? So I don't sleep out the whole idea. So
I'm just tired, man. I'm just tired till I don't feel so well.
true, and I feel well. I sleep out the whole idea. You were like, boy.
What's up?
How are you bathroom there?
I want you.
You feel so good, man.
What do you?
Dream.
Want use the bathroom? Can't use the bathroom.
What to you?
Want use the bathroom?
Make him go on. Make him go on.
The bathroom there.
And I make a.
So make her go and so. The bathroom there right over there so.
Oh, I say.
Yes, right over there
And
so.
turn on the lights.
Yeah.
Switch there so.
Right there so.
This one.
Yes, right there so.
Go on, man. It's good. Alright.
I don't know.
What do you mean wash it?
I don't know if I should wash it. I'm pretty sure that. Yeah.
Yes.
Come so we need to get the money.
Yes, we want the money.
We want the money.
money.
Oh
So,
Jesus.
me put up the money when you give me.
Another room.
Yeah.
Yes. So you have some more money?
Yes.
We
So
want
you
the
can-
money.
When you come out, you just ask him for you.
Yeah. And you go just give me just like that?
No, just tell him say I want to deal with something. And he will give him money. He get for me already, you know. So you have to play.
So my turn now.
Yeah.
Alright. We know what to do. We know what to do. So when they come back, we know what to do. I have to get the money. Yeah.
What do you mash it?
I don't know. So, you give something to eat? No, sir. So wait, so Ginger, hold on. You ain't give nothing?
You're mad, are you? Me crazy? You're mad.
Oh, make sure you know.
No, sir.
Make sure you
Me
not
trick
give
the
nothing.
boy and take the money.
Oh, make sure you not give him nothing. Oh.
How are you?
Come to you now.
You look so well at all.
So come to you. Check. Come on this. Come to you.
Me no feel so good, man. My soup come back.
What do you mean by your soup come back?
My soup come back.
When?
It's
Today?
alright, man. Me not stay long, man.
What's that?
Me no feel so good, man.
Alright, hurry up and be case. You know looks alright.
Oh, God.
Soup come back, man. Me not
Come back tomorrow.
tomorrow. I come
Yeah.
back.
By tomorrow you must feel better.
Yeah.
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 Alright.
Yeah. Jesus, Ginger.
What's wrong with him? What do him? No, sir. What do him?
And what that?
You know what do him?
How can I be with that? You sure you didn't give something for them?
No.
You sure?
I can't never the water.
Exactly the only thing we see you. So what about when we never went there? You don't
Flush out way
You're
in
sure
there.
you don't give something for eat, Ginger?
Me?
Me don't know.
give
Oh, we
you?
ask me say.
And what can I do him, sir?
All of a sudden you no sick out so Ginger. Me don't know. But we just feel say boy a genial, you know.
No, I don't think so. You know, say, boy, you think, you know?
Jesus, you smell it too?
You don't smell it?
No,
Say,
sir.
boy, smell it, you know?
But Ginger, what about the rest of the money we supposed to get? How it a go? Much money get from the boy?
Me not sure, you know. He said, so the boy have put out the money, so me I grab the girl.
Yeah?
You have to go check the money.
So you want to go check the money now?
Go come. Go check the money, girl.
Go check the money.
Want to come because I told you in the house. So it's gonna be taking the money I must eat. No stranger living and no dopey not in here. Watch me when you come at you. Let the woman come here. Let the woman come here to me. I have no father money. Let the woman go gone. How did it come? How did it come?
Watch them attack, say the thing a shot now. What a bombshell. Maui. Maui. What a bombshell.
Come now. Where you come from?
Oh, you look so.
What do you mean I look so?
Hey, me I come from, man.
Skinny with my money.
Which money you talk about,
The
man?
partner money we put up this.
Man, which partner money?
Oh, you mean it's
And
partner
while
money?
you are accused about
But the
partner
lady
money.
come here for your partner money and me couldn't find if you give her. I know, so me put in the book here. Me put in the book here. Me put in the book here skinny and see that you know
Then
in
if you
there.
put the money in the book, it nothing in there.
But the book, it can't disappear skinny. Where do you do
Which
money?
money you talk about?
The people them money skinny.
Man,
Every
me
time
not-
you just search up the place and they take them. Skinny, you don't tear that give me
Man,
trouble.
me
You
not
don't
no
tear that give me
money.
trouble. boy.
All the while you, man,
You don't
me
tear
not no money, man. All the while you see me a thief in money and see.
Skinny, you don't tear that give me
Man, me
trouble.
help you look for your money now, cause me not thief no money.
Oh, you.
Me help you look for your money,
Tear
man.
that
Cause all the while you say, all the while you,
Skinny,
me
just
can't
tear
bother,
that.
you know.
Just tear that, you skinny.
Can't bother all the while you talk about me a thief no money and me not thief no money. And which one I book you say money in that? Me can't bother, you know.
Man, you listen to the book, skinny.
Me can't bother, cause me not thief, me a no thief. Sure.
Before you
Man, me a no thief, and me tell say me a no thief, you know.
I see your thief me fall money, them go give the girl them.
Me not thief no money, sure.
Lord, you don't panic boy, you know.
Man, me see money there all the while you say me a thief money. See money there, the money in the book there so fit show. Me not thief no money. See money there, man.
Skinny.
Man,
Skinny.
me not thief. See money there.
Skinny, you
See
let me
put
feed
the money
that.
there.
Just let me feed that.
Man, come like you see now or something. Come me.
This
me
your
not-
book say Daniel Steele. This your book say no I'm nothing pan it. Last Empire. Me know say Last Empire.
Man,
Me never put in a Daniel
you know say me
Steele.
not thief your money and
You that-
you always accuse me say me a thief your money.
Skinny.
Me not thief
What
you
up your
know.
hand to go and say that to me?
Man, me and I hurt me and you ring up me and look wild and something. Man, me can't
Skinny,
put up me
put
and
your prayer chest and say nothing.
Man, me not thief no money.
You want to go back in the fall cook tonight?
Man, I know.
You want to go back in the fall cook tonight, Skinny? You don't tell us sleep in the fall them, Skinny.
Me not sleep enough for man. I know me thief
Skinny,
money.
don't tell to sleep in the falls.
Man, me head a hurt me cause
Your head a hurt,
eat
your head
farm
not
man.
hot
Me
you
no
yet.
eat
Eat
farm
from man, your head not hot you yet. The boy wicked, you know. And Skinny, you wicked, you know. Cruel, you know.
Man, me no know about no money and you tell me. Me no mean
Skinny, where we going with money?
Me gone and me bed here, man.
Lord Jesus. But thank God me get you back.
man.
God, because the woman they cuss, the woman give me a Skinny. You make the woman give me a piece of cussing this evening. Oh, me a thief. And a thief, me take a thief if you go bail, you can eat cheese, you're there jail, Skinny. Skinny, what make you give me so much of my people after they cuss me so Skinny? You can't do better. Eh? Jesus, take the case and give me the filler.
Platinum! What? Platinum! What happened?
The boy thief the money.
What you mean by?
He gone with the money.
What you mean by gone with the money?
God almighty, man. This can't real.
Where they put the money?
Same place with the other money them.
How many boy gone with the money?
God, me can't believe. I'm really gonna lead on with the boy.